Hey guys, this is Jax from Green Tech Auto here, and today I'm answering a question that 100% of Camry hybrid car owners always ask, and it is the hybrid battery. So if you're watching this video right now, maybe you drive a Camry and your battery has gone bad, maybe it's going bad, or you haven't even bought a Toyota Camry yet because you heard about these crazy battery costs. Today, I'm gonna tell you the truth and everything you need to know about Camry hybrid battery replacement. So let's get straight into it. So right in front of me, we have a Camry hybrid battery from 2007 all the way to 2011. It's the exact same battery that's inside of the car. So here is what it looks like underneath the case. This is what it looks like with the case on top of this. So like if you were to kind of like open the trunk of your car and look at the battery inside, this is what it's going to look like. You're gonna see a nice gray, silver sheet case over top of the battery, which covers all this, which is, you know, everything from the fan, electrical components, the cooling, all the cells inside of the battery. The biggest thing you need to know before getting your Camry hybrid battery replaced is cell replacement, okay? You'll see some people online, on YouTube, maybe on Reddit, talk about cell replacement. But let me explain what they mean when they say cell replacement. So as you can tell right now, you're looking at all these different cells inside of the battery, right? So what they do is they're like, okay, this cell is bad. Let's just go ahead and replace this cell and everything else is fixed, right? No, that's not true. That's a short-term Band-Aid fix and is not a long-term solution. We've had clients that have done this short-term Band-Aid fix 3, 4, 5 times until they finally decide to get the full battery replaced. And I'll tell you why. Because once you replace one cell, if one of the cells is bad, the rest of them are on the verge of going bad as well. And on top of that, everything is now unbalanced. So what we're doing is it actually takes us 90 days, yes, 90 days, 90, to make one Camry battery, because we're taking all of these cells outside the battery pack. Then it goes through our first test. If it doesn't pass our first test, instantly goes straight to Green Tech recycling. If it does pass the first test, it will be put through our internal resistance and cycle testing to balance out all the cells inside the battery. Then we take it through further resting periods and stuff like this to ensure it's going to be a long-term solution, because we have warranties from 12 all the way to 48 months. We're not just giving you a problem. We want this to be a fix that will last for years and years. We have customers that have had a battery from us 9 years ago and their car is still working fine. And if your Camry is like stranded on the road or in your garage and you see the check engine light on the dashboard and you don't even want to touch it, don't worry, because we also offer a mobile installation service. So we have 34 locations across the United States where we can come out to you to get the battery installed. So our technician puts the battery in the car, boom, drives to your house, gets the battery installed within an hour. It's a pretty easy installation. Pop the battery out, put the new one in, scan it, make sure everything's running perfectly fine. And also a good thing to know is if your battery hasn't gone bad yet, or if it has and you haven't got a diagnostic from a dealership or anything yet, don't do it, because we actually offer a free diagnostic service. We're not going to charge you $100 or $150 absolutely for free. You can either come in our shop, or when we come out to you, we run a complimentary diagnostic to make sure the battery is actually the thing that needs to be replaced. Now, some signs that your Camry battery is heading on its last legs and will need to be replaced is the following. So pay attention. Number one is a drop in MPG. Your MPG could go from 40 all the way to 30 and lower, and that's a sign that it's not using as much power from the hybrid battery. Number two, on this point, the engine is running more frequently, okay? If the engine is running more frequently, and this is not something you have to guess, this is a lot of times something you can hear, you can tell that the hybrid battery is not performing as good as it could. The next one is the cooling fan running more frequently than normal. So in the back of the car is where the cooling fan actually is. So it sucks air from inside your car to cool down the battery. And if you hear that fan going on a lot, you could tell, okay, the battery is overheating, and batteries fail in the heat. So if you drive in somewhere hot like California, Arizona, Texas, Florida, anywhere hot, your battery is going to fail years before living in somewhere like Alaska, for example. While we're talking about the fan, the next thing to watch out for is actually the fan, because if you have pets in the back seat of your car, and I'll tell a story, for example. So this guy came to get his Prius battery replaced, and we actually made a YouTube video about this, I think a month or two if you check our channel. It was a Prius, but Camry has the same kind of system, and he had 2 huskies in the back seat of his Prius, and the hair gets inside of that fan, and once it comes inside of the fan, right, I don't know if you can see, but right here, it goes inside the fan, and then boom. The next thing I want to bring to your attention is something that you'll never hear about anywhere on any other YouTube video. Although we did make a video about it, I think a month or so ago. It's very, very crucial and very, very important. And what is it, you may ask? It is pet hair. Yes, pet hair. So if you don't own a pet, maybe you can skip 10 seconds for it. But for those who do, and for those who are interested, if you have a pet, having it in the back seat of your car is very, very dangerous. Why? Well, as I previously said, that fan in the back seat, it should be on the back right-hand side of the seat, is sucking in air, right, from the car to cool down the battery. Now, if you have a pet in the back seat and it kind of likes to sit in the corner, it is taking its hair and the fan is sucking it inside. And when it does that, it can clog the fan. And if it clogs the fan can't cool down the battery. And as I previously said as well, batteries fail in the heat, right? And overheating itself can easily make the battery fail. So make sure if you have a pet, you probably don't even want to bring them in the car, because that is one of the biggest common problems we see with bad hybrid batteries. Now, for the actual cost of the battery itself, for installation, we have two solid options. We have in-shop installation and then mobile installation. And to find out which battery is most beneficial for you, we have a remanufactured battery with a 24-month warranty, and we also have a new cell option with a 48-month warranty. So if you're like, okay, well, how do I know which one's best for me? I would probably go with the new cell option if you're trying to have the most longevity with the car. So a lot of people, they come to us, battery's bad, but the car is fine, right? If the car is in good condition, buying a new cell battery is great for the car because it makes the whole hybrid system run better, and you're gonna have the most longevity you can with the car. If you're looking for like a more affordable remanufactured battery, it's still gonna last a long time. Don't get me wrong. But this is more people like, okay, I don't want to keep the car forever. There's a few other things wrong with the car and I'm just trying to get it replaced. Or if you're just looking for a more affordable option, want to keep the car for another 4, 6, 8 years, the remanufactured option is still great for you. Now, I'm gonna pop the prices of the batteries on the screen right now so you can see the comparison from the new cell and the remanufactured and see how much the price difference is. And if you have any other questions, either drop a comment or click on our website at greentechauto.com. And if you stay till the end, I'm about to give you a $200 discount code for not if, but when your Camry Hybrid battery needs to be replaced. So here it is, GTAI. I'll say it one more time, GTAI. So whether you're ordering on our website or you're ordering online and you're giving us a call, just make sure you mention that discount code and we'll take that off the price, no problem. And we're not just selling you a battery, we're selling you peace of mind. Hope you guys enjoy.